National Weather Service in Denver has issued a tornado warning for northwestern Elbert County, south central Arapahoe County, and northeastern Colorado until 2:30 p.m. At 1:58 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 8 miles southeast of Arapahoe Park, or 23 miles southeast of Denver, moving northeast at 15 miles an hour. Hazard: tornado and quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include mainly rural areas of northwestern Elbert and south central Arapahoe counties. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a well-built building away from windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.